Hello and welcome to week 2. This week we're going to be discussing universal design theory and ADA compliance. And just like last time, I've set up the module so that when you click on week of the 31st, you're going to see two things. The first one is, what should I do before coming to class? And there are a couple of activities already lined up. Now this week's lesson was designed using SoftChalk, and so once you open the SoftChalk lesson, you're going to come to this page. There's a short overview of what universal design theory is, and on this left-hand side you'll see the handouts, and if you click on the UDL document, once you open it, you'll see that it has a table of contents. The first assignment is to choose one of the three principles. So here's principle 1, here's principle 2, and here's principle 3. So you only have to read one section of this document, and you get to choose which section. You'll use that to participate in this week's discussion, and we'll talk about them in class. The other document that I've uploaded is the ADA compliance document. And this one comes straight from our PCC Disability Resources Office. And so all I did was copy and paste the information from the website into this document. And I want you to read those two things carefully, and that's what we're going to discuss. Okay, and so on your SoftChalk lesson, it reminds you of the due dates for the discussion, and it also reminds you of a short little exercise that we can use to help us when we come to class to discuss UDL. All of this, again, is in your table of contents under week of January 31st. You take a peek at this and you'll see, what should have I read before class? Well, there's the UDL document, the ADA compliance document. You should have posted twice before coming to class and submitted a little project to the Dropbox. And all of these will also have links in this module. And here's the description of the assignment. Remember what it was like to be a student. Did you ever have a teacher who just didn't seem to get his or her students? And did you ever say to yourself, he or she just doesn't explain things in a way I can understand? So this assignment, you're supposed to pretend that you are that student and choose one form to represent that student's feelings about not being cut out for school. You can choose a poem, short story, a comic strip, a musical ballad, or a rap, and upload that work to the Dropbox. And this exercise does two things. First, it will give us some discussion material for in class on what does it mean to have universal design theory embedded into your course curriculum design, and also how do we use the Dropbox, how do we link it to our assignments, and so on and so forth. So we'll be trying some of that out in class as well, but I'd like you to get this piece up and ready to go before coming to class. Okay? So I hope that I have provided you with enough explanation of what's due this week, and I look forward to seeing you.